Hello, this is Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es, and in this video I want to teach you some different ideas for creative niches to start selling digital products. So let's see if I talk about your niche in the next minutes, and if not, you can comment on the video down below, ask me what's your niche, and I'll give you some ideas too. So for graphic designers, some product ideas. You can create logo templates. You can create Canva templates because now Canva, it's super popular. For example, me as a graphic designer, I've never used Canva and I'm not comfortable with it, but I know many graphic designers who are starting to use Canva. If you know how to use Canva and you are a graphic designer, go for it because I think it's a gold mine right now. Then other things you can create, social media templates. One of my students, she's creating those for Instagram, and she's creating them with Canva. So if you know how to do it with Canva plus Photoshop plus Illustrator, you really can attract many different clients, and it's just one product in different apps. Then you can sell editable PDFs or Word documents or, like templates. For example, for a long time on Creative Market, there were super popular the resume templates. It was just a design in which you can add your picture, your curriculum, etc. And people were purchasing those because people were looking for a job and they wanted to have a good look CV. So that's another type of thing you can create as a graphic designer. Then obviously you can create stationery, greeting cards, journals, notebooks, all of that. You can create merchandise and apparel, putting your design into a t-shirt, into phone covers, into stickers, into wallpapers, etc. So let's move to another niche. What if you are a web designer or a developer? Well, you can totally sell web themes that you can upload to WordPress or Squarespace or any service that you use. You can create plugins if you know how to code. You can create small templates like Elementor templates, or if you know how to code with, I think it's called Liquid, the code from Shopify. If you know how to code with their code, then you can apply to be a certified designer for them, and you can sell Shopify templates too. I don't know about Squarespace, but I think it's similar. For illustrators and artists, things you can create clip art kits like I do. You can create seamless patterns like I do also, icons, printable art. So Sandra is saying that on Creative Market, they sell also templates for websites. That's true. So that's another place you can sell. As an illustrator, you can create printable art. Printable art, I call it like this. I don't call it art prints because I don't want you to imagine physical prints that you need to ship. It's not physical, it's a PDF. People will download it and they will print it at home or bring it to the custom local print store and they will do it there. But they will print it. You will not have to print or ship anything. That's how it's really digital product. You can also create stationery through Minted and Zazzle and all of those platforms. You can create, again, merchandise and apparel like I was saying with the graphic designers. And you can create SVG CAD files, which are designs that people put, they have to be vector, and SVG is the most popular format. You need to export them in a specific way, and then you sell those files. People who have cutting machines, they exist in many brands, but the most famous ones are Cricut and Silhouette. The ones who have these machines, they upload your design and they can cut any material and then they can create things with that. So imagine wall decals or t-shirts and boxes and even stationery. They create many things and people are purchasing these designs in vector in order to create the physical products they want to do at home. So this is another way to go. For photographers, some ideas. You can sell stock photo and you can sell them individually or in packages. You can sell mockups that are editable. You can sell Lightroom presets they are super popular. You can sell scene creators, which means you have like a base. Imagine a table. You do the picture from the as a bird view. You see the table, and then you have some elements. You cut them in Photoshop. You have them in layers. People can move them around, or even you can export them as PNGs, transparent, and people can set them up as they want to create different scenes. So you can create these products, and you can also create printable art from your photos. Finally, calligraphers. If you know how to do calligraphy or lettering, or you like, writing, you can do SVG cut files, which are like, I do quotes directly and I sell those, and people are loving them and they are purchasing them. You can also sell art prints, not art prints, printable art. I had to change this one because art prints would mean physical, but you get the idea. And again, stationery. Okay, so these were all my ideas for these different niches. If you have another niche, feel free to comment below on the video and I'll be happy to give you some ideas for your niche. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to join my other trainings, you will find the links below on the description.